Hey you guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about K-Beauty's latest drop, their new eyeshadow palettes. They have 4 new eyeshadow palettes that I cannot wait to take you guys through, and I also created this look using one of the palettes, so let's get started. This is the Pure Bloom palette, which has peachy and floral hues. It has very bright, refreshing colors and I love these. They're very summery. Then we have the Self Love palette, which has deep wine and soft pink hues, and this is what they look like swatched on my arms. Next we have the Wild and Free palette, which has warm tones. It has really beautiful earthy colors, and you also get a little bit of a nice little magenta in there. Then we have the Bare Soul palette, which has nude and smoky colors. This is one of those palettes that you can create lots of everyday eyeshadow looks with. These eyeshadows are also enriched with macadamia nut oil, and all of these palettes are 9 in 1 and have matte and shimmer shades. So I'm going to use the Pure Bloom palette to create a look. As you can see, the formula is super silky and has ultra fine particles. It's very easily blendable, and it's also very pigmented. Even the matte shades are really pigmented, and the shades are also transfer proof and smudge proof. So this is how I created this very refreshing, summery, peachy look. I absolutely love this gold color. I think it is so pigmented, and you can create so many looks using just one eyeshadow palette. So this is it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!